Chromecast showing black screen, but sound is working, or nothing shows at all. Do not replace your TV or Chromecast yet. This problem is 100% fixable if you follow these steps correctly. Now listen carefully. I will share only proven and workable solutions used by technicians. First solution, check HDMI and power properly. Remove Chromecast from the TV. Unplug the power cable completely. Wait for 30 seconds. Now plug the power cable directly into a wall adapter, not into the TV USB port. Low power from TV USB is a very common cause of black screen. Now connect Chromecast to a different HDMI port on your TV. Turn on the TV and select the correct HDMI input manually. Second solution, reboot Chromecast correctly. Keep Chromecast plugged in. Press and hold the reset button on Chromecast for 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button when the LED light starts blinking. This clears temporary display glitches and firmware freeze issues. Third solution, fix Wi-Fi and resolution conflict. Chromecast often shows black screen due to resolution mismatch. On your phone, open Google Home app. Select your Chromecast device. Go to Settings, then go to Device Settings, then Display Settings. Set resolution to 720p first. After screen appears, you can change it back to 1080p later. Also make sure your phone and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network. Use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi instead of 5 GHz if possible. 2.4 GHz is more stable for Chromecast. Fourth solution, disable power saving on TV. Some smart TVs turn off HDMI signal automatically. Go to Settings, then go to System, then Power Saving, then go to Set Time. Turn off Auto Sleep Eco Mode and Energy Saving. Restart the TV after this change. Fifth solution, update Chromecast firmware. If screen appears for few seconds, then goes black, firmware is outdated. Open Google Home app. Select Chromecast. Go to Settings, then go to Device Information. Check for update and let it complete fully. Do not disconnect power during update. Final technician tip. If Chromecast works on another TV, your TV HDMI port is faulty. If it does not work on any TV, Chromecast hardware is damaged. That is it. These are real technician fixes used daily. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more smart TV and streaming fixes.